Hi everyone. Now see the today's practical experiment is DAC using R2R LiDAR network. Okay. Here DAC's long form is digital to analog conversion. That means in our experiment input is the digital and output is gives to the analog. That means the applied the input is the digital and output is we observe the analog. That means the digital to analog conversion by using the R2R LiDAR network. Okay. Then here see the aim of the our experiment. Okay, in this our link we totally chart or explain in this given experiment. Okay, so firstly aim of the experiment is to build and study digital to analog converter by using R2R LiDAR network. Okay, technique. Then gives the different apparatus by using this our experiment is resistors. Here used different values of the resistors. Then op-amp 741 operational amplifier IC 741. Then power supply, here used plus 5 volt power supply as well as the plus or minus 12 volt power supply, and then multimeter. Okay, then see here the circuit diagram of our experiment. In this circuit diagram main part is the IC741. Okay, here IC74 is the DIP model, dual inline package, and these ICs are available in a 4-pin IC. So here in a 3 number is connected in a ground. That means the in a non-inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. That means the 3 number pin is connected in a ground. Here plus 12 volt supply applied to the 7 number of the pin, and 4 number is applied to the minus 12 volt supply. 1 to 5 number here connected one 10K pot. This 10K pot is connected in a 1, 4 and 5 respectively pin number of the IC741, and this pot is used in a offset the operational amplifier. Okay, then here in a feedback resistor connected, one feedback resistor REF is the feedback resistor, and this feedback resistor is connected. Here value is the 1 kilo ohm, and between the 2 to 6 number, 2 number to 6 number of operational amplifier connected feedback resistor. Okay, then here input is applied to the inverting terminal of operational amplifier, that means the pin number 2. Here connected series connected 1 kilo ohm resistors. See, in this way series connected 3 1K resistor, and this series connected 1K resistor parallelly connected 2K resistors, and this resistor is connected in a switch. Switch is connected one time ground and one time is the supply. So here apply the input, that means the digital input. Okay, connected ground in a indicate the 0, and connected supply switch is indicate the 1. Okay, so here indicate the 0 and 1, that means the applied the digital input with respect to. Okay, and one resistor parallelly connected in a 2 kilo ohm resistor parallelly connected in a 1K resistors, and this resistor is connected in a ground. In this way this circuit diagram of our experiment. Okay, then formula, here use the formula we calculate the output voltage. V out is equal to RF upon R. Phi reference, RF is the feedback resistor, R is the here used resistor value, phi reference is the applied reference voltage, in bracket D3 upon 2 plus D2 upon 4 plus D1 upon 8 plus D0 upon 16. So here condition we apply D0 to D3. Here the RF feedback resistor is used in a 1 kilo ohm, and R resistor value of the R is the 1 kilo ohm. Reference voltage V reference is equal to plus 5 volt, and D3, D2, D1, D0 are the digital inputs. Okay, so here formula is the phi out is equal to phi reference in bracket D3 upon 2 upon D2 upon 4 plus D1 upon 8 plus D0 upon 16. This formula we use calculate the output voltage. Okay, then see next procedure of our experiment is connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply the power to circuit. Then make output of op-amp to 0 volts with the help of offset null pot by applying the digital equals to 0 0 0 0. Okay, and now apply the digital input in a sequence order. Okay, and measure the analog voltage or verify it with the calculated voltage. That means the verify the calculated and observe voltage. Okay, plot the graph of analog output against the digital input. Okay, then see the observation table of given experiment. Here we observe the digital input. Here digital input we apply the D0, D1, D2 and D3. Here combination of 0 and 1. So here all conditions in a digital inputs combinations are here 16 combinations here created, and we observe the analog output voltage V out in volt. Here observe the analog voltage and calculated the analog voltage. Observer, that means the we observe by using the multimeter in a pin number 6 to ground. We apply the digital input. This voltage is the observed voltage and calculated voltage by using this formula V out is equal to. ओके, हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करून जो आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहे ते कोणतं असणार आहे, कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्होल्टेज. ओके, अशा प्रकारे आपण इनपुट डिजिटल इनपुट अप्लाय करणार आहे बाय युजिंग द स्विच इन अ D0 to D3 अप्लाय द 0 and 1 फॉर्मॅट. Okay, and we observe the different apply the input conditions and we observe the output voltage as well as the calculated. Okay, here compare the observed and calculated voltage. Here two voltages are the similar of observation table. And here draw the nature of the graph. Here draw the x-axis gives to the digital input and y-axis gives to the analog output. And here in one graph, okay, page, we draw the observed as well as the calculated analog output voltage. Here apply the digital different conditions of the inputs and output which are in a increases. म्हणजे आउटपुट जे आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेटेड आणि ऑब्झर्व व्होल्टेज भेटणार आहे ते कसं होणार आहे, आपल्याला कॉन्स्टंट नाही भेटणार तर ते इन्क्रीज होत झालं, 0 पॉईंट समथिंग 1 पॉईंट समथिंग 2 पॉईंट समथिंग असं आपल्याला व्होल्टेज भेटणार आहे. ओके, see here in this way we draw the graph. One is the observed and another is the calculated. Okay, then result of experiment is the digital to analog conversion by using R to R ladder network is successfully carried out. Okay, in this way this experiment is designed in our laboratory, and we observe the input and output voltages. Okay, apply the input digital and we observe the analog output voltage. Okay, I think got it all of you. This experiment chart, total chart. Okay, ह्या चार्टमध्ये काय काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला हे सगळ्यांना समजलेलं आहे. याची सर्किट डायग्राम असेल, ऑब्झर्वेशनमध्ये आपण काय काय ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे, इनपुट काय देणार आहे, आउटपुट काय भेटणार आहे, ग्राफ कसा काढायचा आहे. ओके, गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू, अँड आय थिंक स्टॉप हिअर. थँक्यू ऑल ऑफ यू.